day trade setup for today. So what can we say? I think two things first. The first thing is that this trend line here, we did have a break below it, but we've now closed back above it. I would say that that is intact still. And then the second thing is that this downward trend line here is also currently intact at the moment. But this is a fairly solid bar, and it hasn't quite come off a level, not exact, but it's close enough for me. If I put the actual level on, just short of it, but it's close enough for me that we've opened on a low and closed on a high. That was a fairly solid rally, and we're above the moving average again. So I'm still bullish on this pair. The trend is up. We should be looking for opportunities to buy, and I think that is now materializing right now. Okay, so basically for me, I need to see a breakout and retest of this area before I start committing to longs, and that's 25,761. And for those of you that have got oscillators, look out for diversions here on your oscillator. Okay, pretty sure you'll see something on an RSI or a stochastic or something. You should see some diversions here, where, in other words, price making a lower low and the oscillator making a higher high. Diversions, it's another double bottom. So this double bottom is still in play. This is another double bottom brewing. We need to see a breakout and retest of 25,761, which is pretty much what I'm waiting for. That would be a trendline break, would be a trendline retest, and that would be a fairly solid entry for me. Okay, so yeah, yesterday no trade on this pair, no real reason to get in on it. There was no breakouts that I was happy with. Okay, this is the one that I was looking for, and that's the one I'm still waiting for. So we missed out on this, but that's not the end of the world, because now once we're through this level, we have a bit of confidence that we're going to go a lot higher than what this move was. So being patient and waiting for a move is always worthwhile in the long run. Okay, so I think that's pretty much my simple plan today, is wait to see what transpires this morning in the European session. I do expect a breakout and retest of this. The DAX is also looking like it has a flag, so pretty much Europe is also sort of poised for a move higher. And that's pretty much what we are waiting for. Now, just an interesting thing, markets are irrational. There's no real logic to a lot of the moves that the market does. And there's so many people out there that are looking at the fundamentals and saying, well, we shouldn't be long, we should be short, the market's going to crash, we've got a recession coming, we've got bankruptcies coming, we've got a housing market collapse coming. Guys, ignore that noise. Price is the only true thing. And if price is going up, go up, buy. Price is going down, sell. You're fighting a losing battle against the Feds anyway. The Feds have started buying stocks now. They announced on Sunday that they're buying a lot of stocks, and they will continue to buy, and they will continue to prop up companies where they feel they need to prop them up. They have no interest, and especially with an election year, of allowing it to fall. So, just ignore the noise. There's so many people out there that are creating fear and trying to drive behavior of the retail trader, and hoping that the bigger traders will capitalize and move with the retail traders. But it's just a recipe for retail traders to lose money. So the only advice I can give you right now is switch off the noise. Don't listen to it. Don't read it. Don't pay attention to it. Just focus on your levels and your breakouts. If you see breakouts and retests of levels on the higher time frames, that means people are buying. It means price is going up. So you want to go with it. If you see rejection of level and price start going down, people are selling. You need to sell with them. So trade with whatever the traders are doing. Don't try and blaze your own trail in this market. Anyway, there's just so many people I hear that are trapped on the wrong side of this move at the moment and are still holding on to losing trades. because they feel that the fundamentals are pointing to down, and all these gurus are saying it's going down, so therefore they're staying short, and they're so underwater at the moment, and they're going to be further underwater. But anyway, hopefully you guys are not one of those, and you're paying attention to price and trade this unemotionally with no news. It's only positive bit of advice I can give you right now. If you are holding on to a losing trade right now, cut your losses. Don't hold on any further. You're just going to burn yourself. Okay. Anyway, guys, that's it for me today. I hope it helps you, and let's hope we get some action today. It does look that way. Anyway, enjoy the day. Cheers for now.